I want to jump in real quick and make this short video. If you've been a part of my channel for some time, then you might have seen a couple of projects come through here, like this 01 Silverado. It was originally OEM green. The paint was flaking, it was chipping, there was rust. Complete transformation from green to space white. You've also probably been a part of this Yamaha Roadster that was originally tri-coat white, changed the color from white to red firethorn pearl. So with that being said, the ideas I have in mind is I want to raffle off either a truck or a motorcycle, build them and then raffle it off, one or the other. And that's kind of what I want to see is, one, if it's something that would interest you, and two, would you rather buy a raffle ticket for a truck or a motorcycle? I'm gonna vlog the entire thing so you can see the process start to finish. New paint job, maybe some custom wheels, basically build it out, a light build. And once the raffle is complete, then I'm gonna do a live event, whether it's a YouTube live, Facebook live, Instagram live, or all the above. So like that I can announce the winner. Drop a comment down below, drop a like, share this, post this on your wall, shoot me a DM, whatever. Any feedback, all feedback helps me out tremendously, because I'm really trying to move forward with this. I know this will help me create an extra revenue of income for my shop, and also, like I said, it'll help me reach more audiences. So anyway, guys, hopefully you liked this video. If you did, subscribe, give me a like, give me a thumbs up, drop a comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one. Later.